Latour is caught. Here goes Soren Varenskold. Soren Varenskold all the way to the line. He was the favourite. Varenskold takes it for Groenewegen. Where is he? Right now you can't quite see him. There he is. Dylan Groenewegen is there. Here comes the team of UAE with Sebastian Milano also up there. A big move left-hand side. Here goes Milano and UAE Team Emirates. Casper van Uden is in the middle. Here comes Milano, but it's Casper van Uden. Casper van Uden. Here comes Groenewegen on the inside. Groenewegen, did he take it on the line? Casper van Uden is the stage winner for DSM Firmenich post NL. It was a fantastic sprint for Van Uden.
What a way for Casper van Uden to celebrate his first professional victory, beating sprint supremos Groenewegen and Merlier here in Saudi Arabia.
500 metres to go. It's still Pierre Latour of Total Energy. He is still there. He is still holding on. They're desperately trying to close the gap now. Uno X are trying to fire with Varenskold. Is Pierre Latour going to get it on the line? It's a furious sprint. Latour is caught. Here goes Soren Varenskold. Soren Varenskold all the way to the line. He was the favourite. Varenskold takes it for Uno X Mobility.
Soren Varenskold becomes just the third rider to win multiple stages of the Alula Tour, along with Groenewegen and Phil Bauhaus. The 23-year-old Norwegian securing his 7th career victory and showing he is a force to be reckoned with in these punchy finishes. But the Norwegian leads the race by virtue of better stage rankings. He is also now on top in the red jersey standings, leading by just a point from Van Uden. Mulubrhan and Groenewegen have 12 apiece. The front peloton of around 40 riders continuing to charge their way towards the Camel Cup track. Varenskold had gone and so too had Dylan Groenewegen, but there were still plenty of fast men up there, including Van Uden, De Klein, Juan Sebastian Milano and Tim Merlier. A couple of the Tudor riders tried to go clear on the final circuit, as did Matthias Norsgaard of Movistar, but to no avail. The surviving sprinters would battle it out for victory.
Van Uden opens it up very, very early. Going for the sprinters, Luca Metget's trying to give a victory for Jaco Alula, but it's Tim Merlier. Merlier going all the way to the line. Merlier celebrates, makes it look very, very easy. Absolutely smokes it. Tim Merlier wins for the team of Soudal Quickstep.
Young Dutchman is 2 seconds ahead of Merlier, with Mateo Sobrero up to third after taking another 3 seconds at the late bonus sprint. Van Uden is also on top again in the points classification with 30. Merlier sneaks ahead of Varenskold into second. Getting set for the likes of Merlier, Van Uden, Varenskold, De Klein, Milano and Coquard, but there was set to be some late drama.
Oh, crash right hand side. Big crash of a number of different riders have hit the deck there, and there's a lot of riders down.
Henok Mulubrhan was one of the riders to go down in that crash as the peloton caught up to Miltiadis. UAE sprinter Juan Sebastian Milano also hit the deck and Arvid De Klein was held up, so several contenders now out of commission. The rest gearing up for the final spectacular sprint shootout of this 4th edition.
Now the sprint goes. Look at Tim Merlier. What a burst of pace. Merlier is looking for stage win number 2, tracked by Brian Coquard. But has Merlier got the pace to go all the way to the finish line? Here comes the Frenchman. Coquard is going to try and challenge him on the other side of the road. Is it going to be a victory for Cofidis? It's a photo finish. Coquard celebrates, but that looks like Tim Merlier takes it.
Well, Brian Coquard may have celebrated on the line, but once again it was Tim Merlier who got the job done. The Belgian going from a long way out and sustaining a tremendous effort for 300 metres to just about get there ahead of the Frenchman. That's back-to-back wins for Merlier, who also takes over the race lead. Merlier goes top of the pile by 4 seconds from Van Uden, but the standings will be turned on their head tomorrow. Finn Fisher-Black and Davide Formolo are both inside the top 10, with Simon Yates also 27 seconds down in 15th. The peloton was quickly whittled down to an elite group containing Yates, Formolo, Leclerc and Fisher Black, and 21-year-old Leclerc decided to take matters into his own hands.
William Leclerc with a big acceleration. Look at him go. He's just riding Formolo and Yates off the wheel. An impressive. They're grinding their way up to the wheel of Leclerc. Can he respond? Fisher Black is looking to try and put Simon Yates into some difficulty. Winner overall.
Yates taking his first victory in over a year since stage 5 of the Tour Down Under 2023. Leclerc and Fisher Black round out the podium ahead of a trio of Italians, Sobrero, Brambilla and Formolo.